Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Forum. In today's session, we're going to explore nothing is free. It's a phrase you've probably heard before, maybe from a teacher, a parent, or an older friend. But have you ever stopped to really think about what it means? In this world, everything comes with a cost. Sometimes it's money. Sometimes it's effort. Sometimes it's time, patience, or pain. Even the things that look free, the air we breathe, the opportunities we're given, the help we receive, all have hidden costs. Someone worked for it. Someone sacrificed for it. This video isn't about negativity. It's about reality and respect for the effort behind everything we enjoy. By the end, you'll understand that nothing is free is not a warning, it's wisdom. And once you accept it, your life, your mindset, and your motivation will completely change. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding the meaning. Nothing is free doesn't just mean money. It means every gain has a cost. If you want success, you pay with discipline. If you want knowledge, you pay with time. If you want freedom, you pay with responsibility. When you see someone successful, you see the results, not the sacrifices. You don't see the nights they didn't sleep, the hours they worked, or the risks they took. Everything valuable in life has a price, and if you don't pay it up front, you'll pay it later. The question isn't, can I get it for free? The question is, am I willing to pay what it takes? Part 2. The price of success. People admire success stories, but few want the struggle behind them. Behind every championship, there are thousands of hours of practice. Behind every business, years of risk and rejection. Behind every dream realized, moments of doubt, pain, and failure. That's the cost. You can't skip it. You can't cheat it. And you can't buy it with shortcuts. If you're not willing to pay the price, success will never be yours. But if you accept the price, if you show up every day, give your best, and stay consistent, you'll earn what most people only dream about. Part 3. The cost of time. Time is the most expensive currency you have. When you spend time on something, you're spending a part of your life you'll never get back. So ask yourself, how are you spending it? Scrolling endlessly, complaining, waiting for motivation, or learning, creating, improving, and growing? Every minute has a cost, and your choices decide whether that cost builds your future or destroys it. People say time is money, but that's wrong. Time is more than money. You can lose money and earn it again, but when you lose time, it's gone forever. Choose wisely. Part 4. The illusion of free. Have you ever noticed how often things are labeled free? Free apps, free samples, free advice, free content. But look closer. Nothing is truly free. That free social media app, you're paying with your attention. That free service, you're paying with your data. That free entertainment, you're paying with your time. In the digital age, companies trade your focus and habits for profit. So when something looks free, ask, if I'm not paying with money, what am I paying with instead? Because there's always a cost. You just might not see it. Part 5. The law of exchange. Life operates on one universal rule, the law of exchange. To get something, you must give something. Energy for results, effort for progress, sacrifice for achievement. This is how balance works. Nothing grows without input. Nothing changes without action. Even nature follows this law. You plant seeds to harvest crops. You invest time to build strength. You give love to receive love. If you take without giving, you create imbalance. And eventually, life collects the debt. So instead of asking, why isn't this free? Ask, what am I willing to exchange for what I want? Part 6. The cost of learning. Learning is never free. not even when information is everywhere. You pay for learning with your time, attention, and humility. Every book you read, every skill you practice, every mistake you make, that's your tuition in the school of life. Some people want success, but aren't willing to be beginners. They want the result, but not the process. But growth demands effort. Wisdom demands patience. And mastery demands repetition. You pay for learning not once, but daily, through focus, curiosity, and consistency. Part 8. The price of relationships. Even relationships, friendship, family, or love, aren't free. They require emotional energy, understanding, and forgiveness. They demand listening, patience, and compromise. If you take without giving, the bond breaks. If you only expect but never offer, it fades. Healthy relationships are built on mutual exchange of care, time, trust, and respect. When you invest love, kindness, and honesty, you receive connection in return. That's the cost, and it's worth it. Part 9. The cost of freedom. Everyone wants freedom, but few are willing to pay for it. Freedom doesn't come from luck, it comes from discipline. Financial freedom requires control over spending. Personal freedom requires control over emotions. Mental freedom requires control over thoughts. True freedom isn't doing whatever you want, it's having the power to do what's right. And that power comes with sacrifice. If you want freedom from worry, you must work hard now. If you want freedom from fear, you must face what scares you. If you want freedom from control, you must build independence. Freedom isn't free. It's earned every single day. Part 10. The hidden costs we ignore. Sometimes we pay invisible costs without realizing it. We trade peace of mind for the approval of others. We trade sleep for late-night scrolling. We trade health for convenience. Every small choice has a hidden price tag. The coffee you buy daily, the time you waste gossiping, the energy you spend worrying, they all add up, and eventually, the bill arrives. Awareness is key. Once you see the hidden costs, you can decide which ones are worth paying, because not everything deserves your time, money, or energy. Part 9. The rewards of paying the price. Here's the good news. When you pay the price, you earn the reward. When you work hard, you feel proud. When you study, you grow smarter. When you face pain, you build strength. The cost brings meaning. The struggle gives value. Without effort, even the best gift feels empty. So don't run from the price, embrace it. Because the more you invest in your life, the more precious it becomes. The people who understand that nothing is free are the ones who appreciate everything deeply. Conclusion. The true meaning of nothing is free. So, what does nothing is free really mean? It means life gives you what you're willing to earn. It means gratitude for the things others have worked for. It means respect for time, effort, and sacrifice. When you understand this truth, you stop waiting for luck and start working for progress. You stop complaining and start creating. You stop wishing for more and start using what you have. Remember, the price of everything is effort. The reward of everything is growth. Pay the price now in discipline, focus, and consistency so you can live freely later. Because in the end, everything costs something. But the right things are always worth paying for. Thank you for spending this hour with me. If this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos about motivation, mindset, and real-life lessons. And remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.